Well, the first thing we need to do is get our environment set up. And by this time in your Drupal experience, I assume you've got something. But we recommend for this course that you use Acquia's Dev Desktop. It's just a lot quicker than hosting your files online because we'll need to be editing a lot of different things in this course. So head over to acquia.com/downloads, and even if you have Dev Desktop installed, go ahead and get the latest version. As of this recording, March 18th, 2016 is the latest release. I don't encourage you to get any of the older ones. Go ahead and click the download of your choice, either Mac or Windows. There is no Linux version. And once it downloads, go ahead and unpack it, and you'll see the Drupal installer. You'll see the Acquia Dev Desktop installer. Go ahead and double click on that. It's going to ask you, are you sure? And Dev Desktop is going to start to install. Click Next, 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 Next. If you have Dev Desktop installed already and you've got some old sites, you can back up all of your old sites if you want. Go ahead and click Next and click Next. And Dev Desktop installs. This is just the quickest, simplest, and easiest way to get a development stack on your computer. It takes a couple of minutes, so why don't you pause the video and come back when it's done. All right, once that's finished, go ahead and click Finish, and you'll see your Dev Desktop is now up to date. And you'll also notice I've got some old sites here. Not to worry. We're going to start from scratch. I don't have an existing Drupal site. And we're going to use Drupal 8. You'll notice at the time of this recording, Drupal is in 8.05. Dev Desktop may be slightly behind the latest release of Drupal, but that's okay. Go ahead and choose Drupal 8. Click Install. Go ahead and name the local codebase folder to anything you want. I'm going to suggest Drupal 8 theming. Hit Tab, and once again, Drupal 8 theming. You'll notice that that gives us our URL as well, drupal8theming.dd:8083. Create a new database, and the new database name will be Drupal 8 theming. You can't name this the same as any other site you might have in your Dev Desktop setup. On the PHP version, you'll notice if you click, you can use all kinds of different PHP levels. I'm going to use 5.6.19 because Drupal 8 prefers at least 5.6. Click Finish, and Dev Desktop is going to set up your new Drupal site. Once that's done, click on the URL for the local site, and we can install our site. Click Save and Continue. Save and Continue. The Drupal database username is Drupal user. The password is blank. That's standard on Acquia's Dev Desktop. Click Save and Continue. And Dev Desktop is going to install all the modules we'll need for our site. All right, our site name for now, Drupal 8 theming. Put an email address in here. It doesn't have to be a real one. We're not sending out any emails. It just has to be a properly formatted one. I'm going to suggest you use admin and admin. Since we're on a local host, it's not a big deal. If you are out on the internet somewhere, of course, please don't do that. Default country, choose your default country. And I'm in the Detroit time zone. Go ahead and choose your time zone, although it's not necessary for this course. And uncheck Receive Email Notifications. We really don't want our site sending out emails. Click Save and Continue, and you should see Welcome to Drupal 8 theming. Congratulations, you've installed Drupal.